tech lovers, thanks for joining us. We've got an amazing product to showcase that's really pushing boundaries. Imagine being able to fully immerse yourself in your music, podcasts, or calls like never before. Today, we're going to dive into the Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro, the latest innovation in true wireless earbuds, and explore how it's changing the game with its cutting-edge technology. From exceptional audio to advanced noise cancellation, we're going to break down what makes these earbuds stand out and why you should consider upgrading your audio experience. One of the standout features of the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro is its exceptional audio quality. Designed with a high-res audio 24-bit hi-fi codec, these earbuds maintain the integrity of your favorite audio over Bluetooth, ensuring that you catch details like never before. Whether you're listening to your favorite song, watching a movie, or enjoying a podcast, the clarity and depth of the sound are unparalleled. This means that you can truly appreciate the nuances of the music, from the subtlest whispers to the most powerful crescendos, making your listening experience more engaging and enjoyable. Another feature that sets the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro apart is its two-way speaker system. Each bud includes a tweeter for rich highs and a woofer for deep, full lows, providing a balanced and immersive audio experience. This two-way speaker design ensures that every audio experience is enjoyed to the fullest, whether you're gaming, watching videos, or simply listening to music. The separation of frequencies allows for a more detailed soundstage, making it feel like you're right in the middle of the action. This level of audio fidelity is a significant step up from traditional earbuds, offering a more cinematic experience that draws you in and keeps you engaged. The Galaxy Buds 4 Pro also boasts advanced noise cancellation capabilities with ANC 2.0. This adaptive technology intelligently adapts in real time to provide stronger, smoother noise cancellation wherever you go. Whether you're in a busy coffee shop, on a noisy train, or just trying to focus in a distracting environment, ANC 2.0 ensures that you can tune out the world and tune in to what matters. This feature is especially useful for commuters, students, or anyone who needs to concentrate in less than ideal conditions. By minimizing background noise, you can stay focused, enjoy your music more, or simply relax without distractions. In addition to its impressive audio capabilities, the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro is also designed with comfort in mind. The improved, ear-hugging design and changeable ear tips ensure that you can enjoy that just right fit, making these earbuds perfect for extended wear. Whether you're working out, traveling, or just lounging around, the optimized comfort of the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro means you can forget you're even wearing them. This focus on comfort, combined with the exceptional audio and advanced features, makes the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro an excellent choice for anyone looking for a superior listening experience. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro is a game-changer in the world of true wireless earbuds. With its exceptional audio, two-way speaker system, advanced noise cancellation, and optimized comfort, it offers a unique combination of features that elevate your listening experience to new heights. Whether you're an audiophile, a gamer, or just someone who loves music, these earbuds are sure to impress. So, if you're looking to upgrade your audio game and experience sound like never before, be sure to check out the Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. Find the link in the description below to get your hands on these incredible earbuds and discover